Hello and welcome to Trade Room, where we help you become a better binary options trader through accurate price action trading. In this video, I'm going to go over the setup that I've just taken and explain exactly why I've taken this trade and why it's gone so well. So let's get to that. So as you can see, it is morning. We've just had London open and the markets have become slightly volatile. This is one of my favorite times to trade because there's a lot of movement, which basically gives you a lot of information as to when you should take trades. When there's a lot of big movements happening, it's easier to see what price is doing, where momentum is pushing. I'm going to take another trade right over here because I do see it possibly going up from here. However, it is important for me to let you know that when you trade this, there's never going to be 100% wins. You're always going to lose trades. The point is to profit more than you lose. Okay, so I've taken two trades here in this video. The first one was a sell position. This next one is a buy position, and it's because this is a very clear and obvious setup to me, and it's a momentum shift. So this is how you would look at trading momentum shifts. Okay, London Open has just happened and you can clearly see price is moving quite violently to the upside. To me, this shows that there is a momentum shift. If you look at the highs and lows, this is what gives it away. You've got a low, or you can have a low here and then a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. So this is the previous high that price has made. Price then pushed down. It's another profit. Price then pushed down, made this high, did not break the low, and now we have had a momentum shift to the upside, which from there we would expect a pullback and then a continuation. So that's why I've taken these trades. I'm watching the price move. I'm watching how the price is acting. I could clearly see momentum shifting to the upside, and that's what you always want to do when it comes to binary options. The trend is not so much important as the momentum. The trend shows you the overall direction where price is heading, but that is not what we're interested in when it comes to binary options. We are interested in momentum, not the trend. The trend means nothing when you're trading small time intervals like 1 minute. For that, you're going to need to look at momentum. So we've had a momentum shift to the upside and then this massive pin forming. This tells me that now momentum needs to breathe and continue. So that is why I got into the first position around here to take a sell position for a 1 minute time frame, because I could see some further pullback because of the momentum. And then the continuation from there was pretty clear and obvious to me as well. Price stalling around here. That's why I took that trade. And that's basically it. You want to look at the momentum. You don't want to worry too much about the trend. You want to see what is happening with current price momentum. That will help you make a decision with your trade. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, comment down below with any questions or suggestions you may have, and subscribe to the channel for regular trading content.